So we have made few changes, sir. And being your initially, I was only looking for the stock recommendation. The stock recommendation we are getting from everywhere, sir, from friends,
Mm.
from my colleagues, and even some other Instagram pages. Everywhere we are getting. But the thing is, are we able to analyze the stock? Is it good for short term or long term? Can we step into the stock? Is it right entry or after? This all I learned from you only, sir. So that's the
Okay.
so thanks for
So
your
any stocks you were able to select something in recent time and that
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I sent on text message also. I
okay,
thought yes, yes, for you, sir.
okay.
Actually, I
Which stock?
invested Kalyan Jewelers, sir. Actually, I
Acha.
never
हाँ.
discussed with anyone, but see the thing is the confidence slowly building, sir. After attending all the classes, no,
When you bought that Kalyan jewelers at what price?
so I bought that price was in 165.
Oh, oh,
So I
okay.
had a few techniques in my
And
mind,
now it
sir.
is how much? Now it is how much?
Sir, now it's in 355, sir. Almost the
Good.
nearby double.
So good.
See,
Congratulations. Yeah, yeah, I
thanks.
do remember now. You send me a
Yeah.
message. Sorry, I forgot
Yes.
actually.
Yes.
I don't remember. Okay,
See,
okay,
this
good.
thing all learned from you only, sir. See, the market capital should be in that in my arc range, and also the PE ratio was very good. Since my area, there is lot of Kalyan jewelers are there. I had a
Acha.
little bit, yeah. So that was the one more thing, sir. See, being Tapan, sir, it's not a easy task because you are more than 1,000 people are depending on you, so you
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
give the stock just like that. For me, I can tell to my friends, because at the end of the day people should get maximum returns. They should not
Correct,
lose the stock. So even
correct.
you can easily you can tell lot of government stock and also, but you don't. But some people know how to exit, when to exit from that stock. Some people maybe might have a little
Mm.
bit knowledge as well,
Correct, correct,
so that they
correct.
completely depending on you. You cannot say each and every time the
Yeah, I
person
can
to
also.
tell exit. So that I realized after one year only, sir, because